Welcome to Sarah's class. Today we are going to discuss the topic potential difference or voltage. So we can go to the topic. So in the last session we have seen when the switch is closed, what will happen? The electron will start to move from this negative terminal to the positive terminal. So we can see that as soon as the switch is closed, there is a flow of electrons from one point to the other point. So in order to move these electrons, some work has to be done. So some work has to be done to move these charges from one point to the other point. So this work done is known as potential difference or voltage. So the definition for the potential difference or voltage is the work done in moving a charge from one point to the other point is known as potential difference or voltage. So the definition for the potential difference or voltage is the work done in moving a unit charge from one point to the other point is known as potential difference or voltage. So whenever we are doing a work in moving a unit charge from one point to another point, that is known as potential difference or voltage. Next we have to see the unit of the potential difference. So the potential difference is denoted by the letter V. The potential difference is denoted by the letter V. Next we have to see the equation to find the potential difference. V is equal to W divided by Q. The equation to find the potential difference, V is equal to W divided by Q. So what is the W? What is W? W is equal to work done. So the W is the work done. W is the work done and Q is the charge. Q is the charge. So what is voltage? The work done in moving a charge from one point to the other point is known as potential difference or voltage. Next we have to see the standard unit, SI unit of this voltage. The SI unit of this voltage is volt. The SI unit of voltage is volt, denoted by letter V. Next we have to see the instrument used to measure this voltage. The instruments used to measure this voltage is a voltmeter. The instrument used to measure this voltage is a voltmeter. Instrument used to measure the voltage is a voltmeter. The circuit symbol of a voltmeter is this one. So this voltmeter is always connected in parallel in the circuit. This voltmeter is always connected parallel in the circuit. So these are the terms related to this voltage. The voltage is denoted by letter V. V is equal to W divided by Q, where W is the work done and Q is the charge. Next, the SI unit of voltage is a volt, denoted by V, and the instrument used to measure this voltage is a voltmeter. It is always connected in parallel in the circuit. Next, we have to see what is 1 volt. Next, we have to see what is 1 volt. So 1 volt means if you are doing a 1 joule of work, if you are doing a 1 joule of work to move a unit charge, if you are doing a 1 joule of work in moving a unit charge from one point to other point, one point to the other point is known as a 1 volt. That is known as a 1 volt. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. The work done in moving a unit charge from one point to another point is known as a 1 volt. So thank you for watching the class. In the next class we can see the problems related to current and potential difference.